Did you know there are many fantastic and unconventional uses for orange peels? Keep watching to discover some great, cost-saving, and ingenious ways to repurpose leftover orange rinds. DIY Citrus Cleaner. The citric acid left in orange peels serves as an excellent base for an efficient, cost-effective all-purpose cleaner. To make this citrus cleaner, simply mix orange peels with vinegar and a bit of boiling water. This easy-to-make mixture is perfect for cleaning up various messes without the harmful chemicals found in regular cleaners. Before the peel dries out, it's rich in essential oils that excel at degreasing surfaces, including pots and pans. Using an orange peel as a sponge is a cost-effective and eco-friendly cleaning solution. So next time the kitchen counter or sink is greasy, grab an orange peel for a natural scrub. Natural air freshener. It's well known that the refreshing scent of oranges can neutralize unpleasant odors, leaving any room smelling relaxing and clean. Try placing orange peels at the bottom of a trash can or hang them in the bathroom to gradually transform the aroma of the space. This simple trick ensures rooms smell pleasant, much to the delight of any guest. Garbage disposal deodorizer. Is there a persistent bad smell emanating from the garbage disposal? Clear it out by dropping some orange peels down the drain, running the disposal until clear, and then flushing with warm water. The citrusy scent of the peels will overpower any foul odors, replacing them with a pleasant fragrance from the sink. Homemade scented enhancements. Boiling orange peels or even burning them in a fireplace can fill the home with a comforting citrus aroma. Enhance this by adding mint or cinnamon sticks to create a custom scent blend. This method not only freshens the air but also contributes to a clean and welcoming home atmosphere. Fridge deodorizer and wood polish. Orange peels are fantastic for keeping the fridge smelling fresh. Simply have an orange, remove the fruit, and fill one half with salt. Place it in the fridge in a small bowl for a week or two to eliminate odors. Additionally, the white underside of an orange peel can polish and add shine to wooden furniture. Rub the peel on any wood surface and wipe it down with a damp cloth afterward for a non-toxic, glossy finish. Shoe deodorizer. Embarrassed by smelly shoes? Place dry orange peels in sachets and tuck them into your shoes. The natural odor-absorbing properties of the peels will make your shoes smell fresher. DIY scented candles. Orange peels can also enhance homemade candles. Incorporate finely shredded orange peel into the wax, adding other preferred scents to create aromatic candles that brighten and scent your home. These candles also make excellent, thoughtful homemade gifts. Homemade orange peel face mask. Create an organic face mask by mixing equal parts of milk and orange peel powder to form a thick paste. Apply this to your face and rinse off after about half an hour to remove excess oil and dead skin cells. For targeting age spots, rub the orange peel directly onto the skin. The vitamin C in oranges help lighten dark spots and blemishes, enhancing your skin's natural glow. Orange body scrub for healthy skin. This homemade body scrub will not only exfoliate but also moisturize your skin, promoting the regeneration of healthy skin cells. Simply mix the zest from 1 to 2 oranges with 3/4 of a cup of sugar and 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Rub the ingredients together to release the natural oils from the orange zest. Store the mixture in a jar or container and use it once a week to enjoy its full benefits. Extracting orange oil. The oil in orange peels is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to improve skin tone and texture significantly. Extract this oil by grinding up the peels and fermenting them with alcohol for about 3 days. After draining the oil, add a few drops to your bath for a relaxing experience. Alternatively, dry out the orange peels, grind them into a fine powder, and use it like a bath bomb for a sweet-smelling addition. Home and garden innovations with orange peels. 1. Dandruff remedy. Combat dandruff by adding crushed orange peels to water and leaving it overnight. Rinse your hair with this mixture the next day to eliminate dandruff and naturally condition your hair. 2. Orange tea. Dry out a few orange peels and steep them in hot water for a tangy, refreshing drink. Perfect for relieving congestion, this citrus tea can be enhanced with cinnamon sticks and aniseed stars for an extra spicy kick. 3. Infused oil. Create delicious homemade infused oils by combining dried orange peels with cranberries and olive oil. Seal it and let it develop a wonderful flavor over a few weeks. 4. Composting. Orange peels are a great addition to compost piles. As they decompose, they enrich the soil with nutrients and nitrogen, and also deter slugs, enhancing your gardening efforts. 5. Brown sugar softener. Keep your brown sugar soft and clump-free by placing a few pieces of orange peel in an airtight container with the sugar. 6. Kindling fire. Orange peels are excellent for kindling a fire due to the flammable oils they contain, burning more slowly and steadily than traditional kindling, and adding a pleasant scent. 7. Bird feeder. Create a natural bird feeder by cutting an orange in half and removing the fruit. Poke holes near the cut section, attach a string and hang it in a tree filled with birdseed. 8. Cat deterrent. Deter neighborhood cats from your yard by using a mix of dried orange peels and coffee grounds, which have a strong scent that cats find unappealing. 9. Natural bug repellent. D-limonese in orange peels acts as a natural bug repellent. Rubbing orange peels on your skin can help keep mosquitoes at bay, and placing peels around the house can deter ants and other insects. Have you tried any of these uses for orange peels before? What's your favorite way to use them? Maybe you even have some unique uses we haven't listed here. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, slam that like button and share with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.